Okay, so I wouldn't put an example like this on an exam or quiz, and I don't plan on putting any in the homework either, but I wanted to just go through the example. So they give us this equation here, and they want us to solve it graphically. We're going to learn how to solve it by hand, algebraically, in another section, but if you wanted to do it by graphing, I would just go to Desmos and graph it. You're not required to have a graphing calculator. If you have a graphing calculator and want to use that, you can. And then we're going to be rounding to the nearest thousandth. So I'm going to go to Desmos. I already have it graphed for us. Let me see if I can scroll this down a little bit. I can't. Well, I can move the graph, but I can't move the equation, but it's just typed in. You can't clip and paste it. I tried that and it didn't work. So, but what we've put in is, let me see if it'll let me write. I don't think it's going to let me. I put in this, you put in this right here, 1.255 to the x plus 2.8. You need the parentheses. Okay, so it just isn't letting me show you that. But here's the graph. And so what I can do is trace it. I have a touch screen, so it's just with my finger here. I need to go to where the output is 42. So let me go till I get to an output of about 42 is what I'm looking for. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so that's as close, and I don't know if you can see my finger. That's about as close as I'm getting, and it's about 2.141. Now, there might be better ways to do it in Desmos. You might be able to run a trace on it or something. But I'm getting it to be approximately 2.141. The book's answer was 2.166. But I'm not too worried about this. Like I said, I don't plan on putting these in the homework or on quizzes. I just thought you might want to know how to do it if you needed to do it. So mine's a little off, and you might be able to get something more accurate, like I said, by using other features on the graphing calculator or in Desmos. Okay, so I just did it by hand on my calculator, just my cheap little $12 calculator, and actually the answer 2.141 is the answer. So Desmos is more accurate than what the book's telling you from the graphing calculator, but that's okay, just FYI.